child to Sphinx. So from here, your knees are hip width apart, you're sitting on your heels, you're going to bring the hands to the ground and slide the arms forward as you allow the body to fold down towards the ground, aiming to get the forehead on the ground. With every out breath, you're drawing the hips closer to the heels. Breathe into the back body. Become aware of the expansion of the intercostal muscles with every in-breath. From here, you're going to slide the arms forward to the front of the mat. When you can feel the edge of the mat with your fingers, stop and bring the body over, and then the forehead comes down with the body, hands are alongside the head, and then inhale the face forward and up, drawing the wings of the back together. Push down through the forearms to propel the chest forward, and the head is looking forward. After about 4 breaths, you'll then push through the elbows, lifting the body up again, and then you can walk the hands back to child. Allow the forehead to rest on the ground again. Exhale the tailbone and hips down towards the heels, and we'll repeat this one more time. As you breathe in, slide the arms forward to the edge of the mat. When you get to the edge, stop, lift the body, hinging it over and down. Head is alongside the hands. Now inhale forward with the face to come up. Draw the wings of the back together. Draw the chest and the face forward. 4 breaths. And then push through those elbows, lift the body up and walk the hands back, sitting down into child. Hips as close to the heels as possible. Rest the forehead on the floor and take a few breaths here.